So today's video, dolls, is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be like telling you, dolls, like my plans for my bedroom, because we are actually going to start working on my bedroom now. I'm excited. You dolls only see my living room, my dining room, and the kitchen. So I'm now going to be taking you along and giving you my plan for my bedroom. So grab your coffee, grab your tea, make yourself comfortable, grab your wine, be comfortable, and let's get this video started. Let's go, dolls.
That is my dream. I is what I dream. Is what you make it. Always try to give.
So dolls, before this video starts, by the way, ignore I have stuff washing. I want to show you, today's my mom's birthday and I got her this bag. It is so cute. It's leopard print and black, and my mom loves like basic black bags, and she loves this like bag. She is obsessed with this bag. I've given it to her before. See, it matches the other ones I have. I love this one. This is new and it has like leopard print details, and I love the strap with the black and white. So I'm going to be giving this to my mom. I'm going to be seeing her in a bit and giving this to her. And it also comes with a little wallet inside. I'll show you. So this is the wallet it comes with, and this goes inside the bag. She's going to love this. So yeah, this goes inside the bag. This matches it. So I will have the information from where I got this bag linked down below, well, pinned in the comment section and linked, so you can get it yourself. I love it. It's so cute. My mom's gonna love it. So yes, so now we can start the video. So my bedroom is incomplete. I literally don't even have a bed. I don't have a bed. When I was moving from my last apartment to this new one, I gave my bed away for free. I do not have a bed because I'm very picky about beds. I just have a mattress. So for the last few months, I've been sleeping on my mattress. I'm being real. I don't know what bed to pick. Well, I do have a bed that I have in mind, but it's sold out everywhere. So I've been a bit upset about that because it's never come back in stock, and I don't want to get any other bed. I want my actual dream bed. I'm going to put a picture of the bed on the screen. It's literally, since I announced this bed, I like posted a picture of it and I was about to go and get it, and they call me back and they're like, it's sold out. So I kind of feel like I jinxed myself by like showing a picture on Instagram and on YouTube. I don't know if you remember when I posted this picture, but like it got a lot of comments, a lot of likes. Everyone loved this bed. The bed is like, I don't know what bed to get because I want my dream bed, but it's never going to be back in stock anywhere. Like I've done searching, I cannot find it. So I feel like I'm going to have to settle. Oh. But then the next dream bed I want, I'm still not sure if I want it or not, because I'm like just holding out hope that my bed will be restocked again. But I want to start working on my room now, and I need a bed. I'm tired of like my mattress because it kind of like hurts my back and stuff. I actually want to be like elevated off the ground, but I don't want to settle at the same time. So I'm just like in a mix of emotions of like what to do. Like I don't know what decision to make. I'm going to post pictures in this video of the bed I'm dreaming to, like the second best, basically the runner-up of the one that I'm possibly going to get. Probably, if I don't find my dream bed, this will be the one that you're going to see on the screen right now, will be the one that I'm getting. I have 3 chandeliers and they are so, well, I have one for the living room, so you've seen that in my last apartment, but I have 2 new ones you've never seen. We're still setting it up. I have to get someone to come over and fix them. Like they're so, I'm going to show you them. They're in the boxes. So I'm going to start working on that this weekend. And I can't wait to have that up, like the chandeliers up. I think that's going to be the first step, is just getting the chandeliers in the bedroom. One in the glam room, one in my living room, one in the bedroom. But I just can't wait. I feel like it'll be more real. Like it'll make me want to complete the whole room once I get the chandelier in there. So I wanted my bedroom initially to be all coquette, like the walls all done up. I'm going to put examples inside this video of what I wanted to do with my bedroom. But I've looked at it. I am absolutely now like decided that I'm going to upgrade my apartment to a bigger one, like the size up from the one I'm in right now, which will be like 3 bedroom. So that means I'm not going to I possibly won't renew my lease in this apartment once it's done. Like I'm probably even will break it sooner and move to the new one. I don't know. But like I want to upgrade the size basically. So basically same property, but just upgrade the size. And if I do that, that means I don't want to put too much work into the bedroom. And that's why I'm just like kind of pulling on the bed, because it's like, moving is not easy. Like I already have so much new furniture compared to the last time I moved, and they're heavy furniture. So I just want to kind of like be gentle in what I'm doing. Basically, it will just be a waste of money and time doing like paneling on the walls if I'm not going to stay here possibly in the next 6 months. I want to be minimal. So the bedroom is going to be minimal glam, but still very glam. But I'm not going to paint the walls. I feel like I don't want to, because it's like if I'm not going to be here that long, what is the point investing all that money and time, and then I'm going to have to move again? And I'm trying to like have less stuff moving, because I'm just looking around, like I'm looking at my dining, my big chair behind me, my living room. Like it's a lot that's going to be moving. And I'm getting new dining chair, like these bar stools that you see here. I'm getting some new ones like very soon. You're going to see, dolls. I can't wait to show you. So I'm about to show you the room with the mattress and all on the floor. I really don't know what to do with that room. I'm just like in a bubble. Like I know what to do now, but for the past few months of me living here, it's just like, what am I going to do? Like what bed am I getting? I'm very picky, because it's like once you do it, you're like stuck, especially a bed. Once you get a bed in there, you are stuck. Like that is it, because it's a big piece of furniture. It's hard to get rid of. It was hard to get rid of my last bed. Like it's big. So yeah, I'm gonna take you dolls in there now so you dolls can see my plans for the bedroom, and then I'm just gonna like walk you through and show you like pictures and stuff of what we're gonna do. I can't wait. It's like designing a whole room. I can't wait. Let's go and look at my bedroom. So I'm just in my kitchen enjoying my morning coffee before we go and look at my bedroom. So I don't even know how to begin this video. But yeah, I've just been wanting to take you dolls along with me in the process of designing my bedroom. And before this, like, this is, how do I say this? I definitely want to do like vlogs where you get to spend a day with me, because it's such a beautiful day outside. I feel like I love videos like this. So if you want to see it, please comment in the comment section. Just random, unplanned, top of my mind thoughts, and you just spend the day with me. This is just like my apartment, just messy. Literally the dog stuff is on the floor, their little blankets and stuff, and you know, bag on top of the chair. Like this is just cardigan. This is just how I am. But yeah, I just love videos like this where it's just like the top of my head just talking. So before we go in there, the bed that I want this bed, I want my bed to look like my couch. Like I love my couch. I love the fact it's tufted. I love the fact it's this shade of pink. I love the fact that it has this round look to it, and that's exactly how I want my bed. I'm going to pop a picture on the screen so you can see. That's how I want my bed. I want my bed to be a bed version. I want my bed to be a bed version of my couch, just look exactly like it, because I'm obsessed with this round shape. It just fits. It's very feminine, and it fits my whole aesthetic, my vibe, my look. So yeah, we're gonna go and look inside my bedroom so you can see how it looks like. I don't know why I'm delaying it, because it's just so embarrassing, but I don't care. Like I'm not like, there's nothing to be shy about. I just feel like because everywhere's so done up, it's gonna look like womp womp womp. But anyway, let's go and look. So this is my room. I'm gonna open it. Get ready, dolls. It is just plain. It's more of a storage room. Like I store things and I have my mattress on the floor. So it's very, very, very plain in here. Nothing is going on. It's actually a bit of a mess right now, but it's storage because I have not figured out what I want to do in here. So yeah, here's my room. Here is my bedroom. So my bedroom has a master, this is the master bedroom. It has my master bathroom, which is in the corner, which you've seen in my move-in vlog. So my bathroom is right there. It's very big in here. It's a very big bedroom. First of all, you're probably wondering what everything is. I have like my dog's beds here, their little crate, their little beds they sleep on. And also I have my curtains in the corner. So a lot of stuff in here, random stuff. As I said, it's a random room. I have the mattress on the floor. I am going to be putting a chandelier in here. We're going to get into that. And then I have that picture frame because I feel like that's going to be in here. I'm going to remove it, the inside. That's not going to stay in there. That thing in the middle is not going to be there. I just have that. I thrifted that picture frame from Goodwill. So what I love about my bedroom is the light. It's got so much light that comes in, natural light. And I absolutely love that. Right now, like it's not really coming in as much, but the natural light coming in is really good. So I'm wondering whether to have my pink velvet curtains that you see in the corner up there. That's literally been there since I moved in. I've never moved that away. Like it's just sat there. And I have the little, not chandelier, but I have my, what's that called? What's that thing in my lamp, my crystal lamps? That's just been all sitting there since I moved in. My luck has just been sitting there since I've moved in. Like I've not really gotten into this room yet. I'm still working on this room. The dog beds, they're probably not going to sleep in here when I do everything up. I'm probably going to move the dog beds away from here. I have these gorgeous, huge chandeliers, 2 of them, one that's going to go in the glam room and one in the bedroom. So this fan is not going to be here anymore. I'm probably going to have to get a stand-up fan because I love my fans, but I also want the chandelier look as well. So this is going to be coming down. So I'm going to have, and I love how, no, that silver thing's not going to be there, but I was going to say I love how it has a silver base, but I realised that's part of the fan, so that's going to come down. But I do love how that is silver, so it's going to match my chandelier. So this is coming down really soon. That's the first thing that's going to be installed is the chandelier, then the bed. So let's think about this. So for the curtains, I'm thinking, because I do love the natural light coming in, I'm thinking of having like, I was going to say like, not clear, but like white drapes that are long on the floor. I don't know yet. I'm just thinking, or do I still have the velvet curtains? Please let me know what you think, dolls, I should do with curtains. Vote in the comment section. The velvet pink curtains or just white plain curtains that are clear, that you can, not clear, but you can see through, like a mesh kind of, not mesh, but like a silk. You know what I'm trying to say. And for my bed, this is a mattress right now, I'm thinking of having it either center in the middle of this window, but this window is not centered. If you look here, it doesn't go all the way to this wall. It's not centered. It's like there. I hate the positioning of this window, but what can I do? I'm thinking of having it either where it is now or having the bed right here in this area here. So when you open the door, the bed's like in your face, if that makes sense. What do you think I should do? Have the bed here or have the bed against this wall? Comment in the comment section what I should do. Now, my dream for my bedroom is to have panels, like white panels, or paint it pink. So when I mean white panels, like very coquette, and just have it like in the corners, like framed, almost like framing this wall, especially if my bed is going to be right in the center, framing this wall really, really pretty, or having like a huge bow in the middle. I don't know, like I'm just like, that is my plan, because imagine here is like framed and you open the door, it's like almost looking like a wall art, but it's not. And then having the chandelier, like that will look so gorgeous. Like, what do you think? Like white paneling going across in the corners and just framing the wall really nice, and then the bed. Or here's the other idea. Or another idea I have is to have my pictures in black and white, like big black and white frames of me. What do you think? Do paneling, which you can do both, but I don't plan to live in this apartment for too long before I move again. So I don't want to do too much. So which one is doing too much? Is paneling doing too much, or is painting the room pink doing too much? Comment in the comment section which is too much. Or do you think I should paint just this wall pink and then leave the rest? Or does that look unfinished? Comment in the comment section. Like, I'm going to keep saying comment in the comment section because I want you dolls' thoughts on everything. But yeah, so this is where my heart feels I should have the bed, right here. That way I can play around with space and stuff like that. I'm not showing you this side because I have my clothes literally everywhere. So my heart is fixated on the bed that is not in stock, and I keep seeing it pop up and then disappear. So I'm hoping it comes in stock soon, because that's literally my dream bed. I want the round bed. I do not want a regular bed that everyone has. I want a round tufted pink bed, and that's why I've taken time to start working on this room, because I can't see my room without that bed. It's like I'm settling almost if I don't get that bed. Now, if I do get the round bed, do you think I should do more of a round dresser instead of like a squared dresser? I definitely want my, not dresser, but bedside table. I definitely want my bedside table to be square, I don't know whether I'll have one or two. I feel like if I'm against this wall, I need two dressers. What do you dolls think? Two dressers or one? Like one there and one, it depends how big, the bed is big. So I'm going to have like pictures on the screen of the dresses that are my top picks, so you can kind of see what I want to go with for dresses. But I'm thinking, like, I've never seen, if I do like a round bed, it's almost like I have to have a round dresser. Like, I feel like when you do round, everything has to be round. So I'm going to put like pictures on the screen of like the dresses that I have my eyes set on. So I saw this at Ross and I've never seen any more since then. It is so cute, and this will be like probably at the foot of my bed, like the end of my bed. This is going to look so cute. I can't wait to use it. I've been wanting more because they have a bigger one. I want like this one and the big one. It's just so gorgeous. Like, look at that. I love it. The only thing I hate is this floor. It is so ugly, because in apartments in Texas, I feel in America, you can't have, I think it's illegal, not illegal, but like you just can't have, if you're like above someone on a third or second floor or fourth floor, you can't have carpet. Like in the bedrooms, you have to have carpet, which makes sense because you don't want to make noise in the other person, because the person below me, this is their bedroom. So you don't want to be like making noise in the middle of the night. So that's why they have it like insulated, the sound. So I hate it. I really do, because I want the wooden floors that I have in the living room. So that's the only thing I hate. If not, I love my bedroom and I can't wait to start working on it. So that is my bedroom for now, before we finally start working on here. You've seen it. It is so basic. Okay, so now you've seen the bedroom, you have an idea where I'm going. But yeah, I can't wait to start. It's going to be a series on this channel. I'm going to take you on daily decorating. Like every time there's a new thing going on, I'm going to document it. I can't wait till we install the chandeliers. That's probably going to be, no, it is going to be the first thing you see in that room is the chandeliers. So, oh my God, I'm excited. I can't wait. Bedroom tour. Imagine when I do the bedroom tour. Oh, and question, dolls, should I have my vanity in the bedroom or have it still stay in the glam room? What do you dolls think? I can't wait. Bedroom. I can't wait to start working on it. I'm going to create the most gorgeous bedroom ever. I can't wait. We're going to break the internet, dolls. Let's break the internet. So dolls, this was a short video. We have come to the end of the video. I always do a secret emoji at the end of the video. It helps me know who has been watching to the end of the video. So today's one, because we were in the bed, we're doing the bedroom design stuff. Comment the bed emoji in the comment section down below. So comment bed emoji in the bedroom. In the comment section down below. And also, not just that, comment a pink bow. Oh, that rhymes. Comment a pink bow down below with the bed emoji next to each other in the comment section down below. I love you dolls with all my heart. Give this video a big fat thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe down below. Let me know what you loved about this video, dolls, and I'll see you dolls in my next video. Smooches. Bye, my loves. Bye.